Class 10 Science, Chapter 2 Acids, Bases and Salts, MCQ questions with answers.
1. Which of the following is a weak acid found in citrus fruits? A. Hydrochloric acid, HCl. B. Sulfuric acid, H2SO4. C. Citric acid. D. Nitric acid, HNO3. Answer is C. 2. When a solution turns red litmus paper blue, it is classified as A. Acidic. B. Neutral. C. Basic. D. Cannot be determined. Answer is C. 3. Which one of the following salts does not contain water of crystallization? A. Blue vitriol. B. Baking soda. C. Washing soda. D. Gypsum. Answer is B. 4. The reaction between an acid and a base is known as A. Precipitation. B. Combustion. C. Neutralization. D. Displacement. Answer is C. 5. Sodium chloride, NaCl, is an example of A. Strong acid. B. Weak base. C. Salt. D. Indicator. Answer is C. 6. The pH of a neutral solution is closest to A. 1. B. 3. C. 7. This is the closest. D. 10. Answer is C. 7. Which of the following gases is evolved when an acid reacts with a metal carbonate? A. Nitrogen, N2. B. Hydrogen, H2. C. Carbon dioxide, CO2. D. Oxygen, O2. Answer is C. 8. An indicator that turns yellow in an acidic solution and red in a basic solution is A. Methyl orange. B. Phenolphthalein. C. Universal indicator. D. Litmus paper. Answer is D. 9. Milk of magnesia, used to treat indigestion, is a common name for A. Sodium hydroxide, NaOH. B. Hydrochloric acid, HCl. C. Magnesium hydroxide, MgOH2. D. Sulfuric acid, H2SO4. Answer is C. 10. When an acid is added to water, the electrical conductivity of the solution, A. decreases. B. remains the same. C. increases. D. becomes unpredictable. Answer is C. 11. Arrhenius acid definition states that an acid dissociates in water to produce A. hydroxide ions, OH. B. chloride ions, Cl. C. hydrogen ions, H+. D. sulfate ions, SO4 squared. Answer is C. 9. At what temperature is gypsum heated to form plaster of Paris? A. 90 degrees Celsius. B. 100 degrees Celsius. C. 110 degrees Celsius. D. 120 degrees Celsius. Answer is B. 13. Which of the following is not a property of a strong base? A. Corrosive. B. Turns litmus paper blue. C. Reacts with acids to form a salt and water. D. Partially dissociates in water. Answer is D. 14. Plaster of Paris is obtained by heating A. Calcium carbonate, CaCO3. B. Calcium sulfate dihydrate, CaSO4.2H2O. C. Sodium chloride, NaCl. D. Potassium hydroxide, KOH. Answer is B. 15. The strength of an acid depends on the A. size of the molecule. B. Degree of dissociation in water. C. Color of the solution. D. Type of metal present in organic acids only. Answer is B. 16. Which of the following is an example of a natural acid? A. Sulfuric acid, H2SO4. B. Nitric acid, HNO3. C. Vinegar, acetic acid. D. Hydrochloric acid, HCl. Answer is C. 17. When a strong acid reacts with a strong base, the resulting solution will be A. Strongly acidic. B. Strongly basic. C. Neutral, pH 7. D. Unpredictable. Answer is C. 18. The formation of a white precipitate when barium chloride, BaCl2, solution is added to sodium sulfate, Na2SO4, solution indicates a test for A. Acids. B. Bases. C. Salts. D. Metals. Answer is C. 19. Which of the following statements about indicators is false? A. They are weak acids or weak bases. B. They change color depending on the pH of the solution. C. They can be used to determine the concentration of an acid or base. D. Their color change is permanent. Answer is D. 20. If the pH of a tomato is found to be 4, it indicates the tomato is A. Neutral. B. Slightly acidic. C. Highly acidic. D. Slightly basic. Answer is C. 21. An example of a Bronsted-Lowry base is A. Hydrochloric acid HCl. B. Carbon dioxide CO2. C. Ammonia NH3. D. Sodium chloride NaCl. Answer is C. 22. Draining cleaner is a strong base commonly known as A. Calcium hydroxide CaOH2. B. Sodium bicarbonate NaHCO3. C. Sodium hydroxide NaOH. D. Citric acid C6H8O7. Answer is C. 23. Which of the following statements about the pH scale is incorrect? A. A pH of 7 indicates a neutral solution. B. A pH lower than 7 indicates an acidic solution. C. A pH higher than 7 indicates a basic solution. D. The pH scale ranges from 0 to 140. The actual range is 0 to 14. Answer is D. 24. When concentrated sulfuric acid, H2SO4, comes in contact with skin, it can cause a severe burn. This is because sulfuric acid acts as A. Reducing agent. B. Dehydrating agent. C. Oxidizing agent. D. Neutralizing agent. Answer is B. 25. The sour taste of curd is due to the presence of A. Citric acid. B. Acetic acid. C. Lactic acid. D. Tartaric acid. Answer is C. 26. During the reaction between an acid and a metal, hydrogen gas is evolved if the metal is A. A very reactive metal, like potassium. B. A less reactive metal, like copper. C. A noble metal, like gold. D. More reactive than hydrogen, the metal must be able to displace hydrogen from the acid. Answer is D. 26. During the reaction between an acid and a metal, hydrogen gas is evolved if the metal is A. A very reactive metal, like potassium. B. A less reactive metal, like copper. C. A noble metal, like gold. D. More reactive than hydrogen, the metal must be able to displace hydrogen from the acid. Answer is D. 28. The process of removing the water of crystallization from a hydrated salt is known as A. Dissolution. B. Dehydration. C. Neutralization. D. Hydrolysis. Answer is B. 29. The following is not a common use of acids in everyday life. A. In car batteries. B. For cleaning surfaces. C. In food preparation, e.g. vinegar in salad dressing. D. As a fuel source, acids are not generally used as fuels. Answer is D. 30. When hydrochloric acid, HCl, reacts with zinc metal, Zn, the products formed are A. Magnesium chloride, MgCl2, and hydrogen gas, H2, B. Sodium zincate, Na2ZnO2, and water, H2O, C. Zinc chloride, ZnCl2, and hydrogen gas, H2. This is the correct answer. D. Hydrozincite, ZnCO3, and chlorine gas, Cl2. Answer is C. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe.